Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and this is the spring semester of 2017, and I'm going to introduce to you how to log in and start using the system necessary for our CSIT125 Word class. It's an online class given by MiraCosta College. When you start from the MiraCosta College website, this is the home page, and as you can see, it's an animated one, meaning that there's a video playing constantly, so there's constant movement going on the home page. So what you would do is you'd go up to the upper right hand area where these links are located: surf, online ed, library, and so on. You would click online ed, online education, and then on this page you would click the double B, the capital B and the lowercase b icon for Blackboard, or you can just click log into Blackboard. After you log in, you would use your student ID number and your password. Once you log in, you'll be able to click into our Word class, the CSIT 125. Make sure you look up here in the upper left area and make sure it says SP17 for Spring 2017, CSIT 125, and our section number is 1949. But there's only one section of the class right now anyway, so as long as it says CSIT 125, you are in the right place. On the main menu on the left hand side, you'll see links you can click to get to the different pages that you'll need to use. This first page I'm showing you is called the Course Tools and Information page. You would click this link to get to this page, and as you scroll down through this page, you'll see lots of different important links. This is probably the most important page you'll have to work with. It's like the core of being able to navigate all through our class in Blackboard. The first link is here. It's the class calendar. When you click on the calendar icon, it will open up the list of due dates for the entire semester. It tells you what assignment or test is due, what the date is that it's due by, and it also lists when the spring break is, when the federal holidays are, all the way through to the final exam. So you can always come here to see when your assignments are due. Then back on this page, you also have a link for the class syllabus. By now you already have a copy of it that I've sent you through email. So this is just another copy of the syllabus. And as we go down through the list, there are other things that are important for you, like clicking here would show you a list of the required materials for this class. Clicking here is the SimNet link. SimNet is a very important part of the class, and I've already talked with you about it when I sent you the first email and the second one as well. There is a link here for the student data files. You don't really need to download these onto your computer, because I'm going to be providing you with all of the links to the files that you need. But if you would like to have all of the files that come with the textbook for all the chapters, you can find them here. You can download them from that page. Keep going and you'll see other instructions. If you click here, it'll show you how to view the unit assignment instructions here in Blackboard, how to do the assignments, how to turn in your work, the way to submit it to me for grading. This link tells you about VMware, which is a system you can use if you need to log in remotely to the MiraCosta College server and use the Word software that way. Click here for help. Click here for how am I doing. If you want to find out what your grades are currently, you would click the star here. And as you keep going towards the bottom of this page, there are other links to important pages that you might need to see. For example, this one shows you what a business document should look like, all the different required pieces of any business letter or document. Keep going and you get down to a link for Club IT, which is part of our IT department, our CSIT department rather, and a link at the bottom. We have a link for the MiraCosta College Career Center, where you can get assistance with finding the kind of career you're interested in. So going all the way back up to the top of the screen, again I'm going to go back over here to the links on the left hand side. This link is called Unit Assignments, and when you click that, it brings you to this page, and as you scroll down there are different links to the different assignments. As they come up, you will see more and more of them appear here as we go through the semester. Where it says right here, do this first, the first discussion post, this is the first assignment you're going to be doing. When you're finished with that, you can start immediately on Unit 1. And I'm going to do a separate video on how to do Unit 1 and more information about that there. The SimNet link here on the left-hand side is all about SimNet, what it is, how it's used in this class, and why it's important. This also where you can find the 800 phone number if you need to call SimNet technical support. And this is a link to a document called How to Use SimNet. This is one I put together, and so it's illustrated and has all kinds of, this is how you use SimNet directions on it. SimNet is where you're going to go online to do some of your projects and where you will do your tests. Coming back up here, we have the discussion board. We have a quizzes link for the end of chapter quizzes that you take. There's one at the end of every chapter. And the tests page where you're going to learn about the major tests. There are 3 major tests in this class, not counting the midterm project and the final. My Grades, you can click that link to show the page where all your grades are for everything you do in this class. And down here there's additional student support. This is a link to the student help desk for MiraCosta College and the NetTutor link, and also tutorials. So there's lots of great assistance here for you. And again, when you first log in, please remember to view the course tools and information page and scroll down through that page to make sure that you understand everything you're supposed to do for the class. And that's it for now. Until the next one.